Hi guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to insert dimension lines in their different types that are displayed here. To insert a dimension line, I can click in this icon here and then I click in 2 points which I want to measure. For example, I click here and after in this point and then I click again to place the dimension line. So it's easy as this. To open the panel to edit dimension lines, I have to go to Annotate and then in the Dimension section I click in this arrow here. This window is the Dimension Style Manager and I can edit everything related to dimension lines. To learn more, just click in the link that appears now. So, let's see more types of dimension lines. If you click in this arrow here, you can see all these different types that you can insert. Before I drew a linear dimension, and this time I'm going to choose this one that says aligned. As you may remember, before I clicked in this icon, which is for general dimension lines, and it will use the type which fits more in each case. Okay, let's put an aligned dimension for this line. I'm going to select both extremities and as you see it measures the distance between the 2 points. On the other hand, if I would put a linear dimension and choose again the same points, this is what's going to happen. I could just insert a vertical or a horizontal dimension. Now I'm going to add an angular dimension. This time I click in this one, I select 2 lines and it inserts the angle between them, and it can be in any side of the intersection. If I click in the arc length, as you can imagine, I can measure the length of the arc. So I just click on it and I can insert its full length. Now I am going to insert a radius. I click in radius, then select the arc again, and I can place the arc radius where I want. Apart from radius, there is also another option to insert a diameter, which is the same process. You can just see the difference between both symbols. Now, I will also explain you the ordinate dimensions, in which you can add dimensions from a reference point, like here. But before using the command, we need to place the UCS in the point I want coordinates 0, 0, 0. So I type escape to cancel the command, I click in the UCS, I click in this square, and I can move it to the corner of this rectangle. So after now, all the distances are related with this point. I'm going to activate the command dim ordinate again, and I'm going to place a horizontal dimension between the center of this circle and the origin. Then I do the same for this one, and as well as the horizontal, I can also do vertical, like this. And the same for this small circle. As you see, I can keep doing this to all the points I need. So, it was everything in this video. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Coding Block to watch all the tutorials of Autocad. Also, if you need extra help, I can provide online private lessons for beginners. Just send me an email and check more details in the channel page. Thank you and see you next time.